Back in tight spaces. For the last time, hopefully. God damn it. Tearing this whole wall apart here. It's basically everywhere. I am no Tom Hanks. I'm going to put back the old microphone. Did you hear the wind noise in the last couple of videos? It wasn't even that windy. Even when I turn the camera, like in my hand, it already picks up a lot of wind noise. This thing is twice as expensive. This one from Daiti works a lot better. Still, I think it could be better, but not with this. I think I also might need a new tripod again. This is the 6th one already, I think. The life of a filmmaker is not that easy, guys. It's not that easy. you believe it? That filter was already clogged up again. Quite a hot day again today. 36. I noticed that the weather that I look up on my phone and the one that's also on the board that you see every time, it's not actually that correct. I found one of my old temperature measurement thingies, and there's one outside, and this is for inside normally, and it says 35 degrees, but my app says only 33. But the other day it said on the board like 26, and on my phone, and this thing, it was here like 35, I think 33. And the weather prediction is that we get on our phone is only like 3 kilometers from here, so not very accurate. So the plans for the upcoming weeks. Next week Uncle Richard's coming. I don't remember exactly what date. I think it's exactly a week from now. It's Monday, and I ordered a septic tank, and we're going to use Doug to dig in a septic tank as a replacement for our old septic tank. And we also have to make a drain field, like a leach field. So that is going to be pretty exciting. I hope the weather is good, not too hot preferably. And until then, we're going to slowly start preparing the inside here for eventually finishing that. There's a lot still to do. We want to have floor heating, and the whole bathroom still needs to be done. I don't know if I'm going to do the kitchen also before we go in, because we already have a kitchen here now. Eventually I want to have a kitchen there also. And a lot of small other stuff I want to do. One of the things is I did the fascia board on the shed now. And also in the next couple of days I think I'm going to do the fascia board on the house. Because we have 2 more of the boards, if they're a little bit straight now. Maybe I'll get some more, and then at least that side of the house we can finish off the fascia boards. On this side of the house is a lot is going to change still, so there's no use putting fascia boards on this side. It's not even possible now with the veranda extension. So it would be nice though to have them on the other side. And yeah, that pool for the girls. And irrigation. We still need to do irrigation. But yeah, the most exciting thing is next week with Uncle Richard. Let's see if Doug's still operational. He's just been standing there. Good to have him around though. If you're worried about the dogs and the temperature of concrete, her own free will. Nice and warm. It's 35 degrees at the moment. I can stand on there also. So. Zoe loves the heat. Hi, sweetie. It's legit reasons to be lazy, huh? Last time we're gonna get in here, I promise. So that should be it for the shed for now. That quick side project that we're gonna do. We'll continue on that after I finish my house. If you didn't know, the shed we were just working on is going to be the new work shed. So the new this is now the work shed. This is going to be something completely different. If you've been paying attention, you should know. If you don't know, keep following along. Direita. So we actually need to go shopping today, guys. And as you heard maybe last time, the Mazda is also making a really strange sound under the hood. So that's going to be exciting. Akira, what are you doing, sweetie? Andeka. Zoe também. Zoe. Zoe. Andeka. Andeka. Akira, Fika. Zoe, Andeka. This is somebody else's house, sweetie. I know the door is open. Or there is no door. Not your house. Hey. Oh, it's also ripped. It ripped. Yeah, these warning signs from the Chinese, they don't last very long. Breaking apart from the sun. It's just a big drinking bowl with animals drowning in there all the time. Sweetie, I'm gonna go try if I can go shopping. Okay? See you in a bit. See you in a bit, sweetie. I'm going shopping. Hopefully. Nothing is squeaking. Let's see how far we get. Fingers crossed, guys. It's gonna be another beautiful evening in the ghost town. We're going to Castello. No squeaking whatsoever anymore. Till now.
Ja, ist ja gut.
Sounds more like it's coming from the block. That would not be good if it's coming from the block. At first I thought this sound came from the wheel, like from the wheel hub. I've been hearing it already for like a longer time. Not sure what's going on there. We made it back home with the groceries though, thankfully. Hey girls! Yes, I made it back! Woo! Bye!